Did you know dolphins sleep with one eye open? It sounds unbelievable, but it's true. But how do they manage to do that? And more importantly, why? Let's dive into the facts. First, let's talk about their sleep style. Dolphins don't sleep like you and me. Instead, they use something called unihemispheric sleep. That means only one side of their brain rests at a time, while the other side stays alert. But why do they need to stay half awake? The answer lies in survival. Dolphins are mammals, which means they need to come to the surface to breathe. If they fully shut down, they'd risk drowning. So, while one side of their brain takes a nap, the other side makes sure they swim to the surface for air. Genius, right? But survival in the ocean isn't just about breathing, it's also about staying safe from predators. And that's where dolphins' social nature comes into play. Dolphins often sleep in pairs or pods. Why? Because in a group, they can take turns keeping watch for danger, while others rest. Imagine it like a sleepover where someone's always on guard duty. Isn't that incredible teamwork? And here's another amazing fact. Dolphins don't just protect each other from predators. They've been seen helping injured pod members by pushing them to the surface to breathe. Talk about being your brother's or sister's keeper. Speaking of teamwork, did you know dolphins have their own way of talking? It's not just clicks and whistles, it's a whole underwater language that's still blowing scientists' minds. Dolphins use a mix of sounds, body movements, and even bubble streams to communicate. And here's where it gets really interesting. Some researchers believe dolphins have names. That's right, individual dolphins create unique signature whistles, almost like a personal ringtone, and use these sounds to call out to specific members of their pod. Imagine swimming in the ocean and hearing a dolphin whistle. Hey, Dory! Okay, maybe not quite like that, but you get the idea. But that's not all. Dolphins don't just chat for fun, they strategize. When hunting, they use teamwork that feels almost military-grade. One dolphin might drive a school of fish into a tight ball, while others take turns diving in for a meal. All of this is coordinated through their clicks and whistles, like a perfectly executed group project. Also, it's believed they do this to strengthen social bonds or as a way to playfully tease their pod mates. Yes, dolphins might actually have a sense of humor. So why do dolphins sleep with one eye open? It's all about survival, breathing, staying safe, and working together as a pod. These amazing creatures are proof that nature isn't just clever, but also deeply connected and endlessly fascinating. What do you think is the most fascinating thing about dolphins? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to follow us for more jaw-dropping animal facts. We've got some mind-blowing stories.